The smart home device industry is growing massively. It's growing so massively that by year 2029, it's going to be a $112 billion industry. 84% of the houses are going to have a smart home device or a smart home application in one form or the other. And the commercial applications of smart devices is even massive. One of the main objectives of smart innovation is to bring that change into your life at its earliest through our smart devices and technologies. We have solutions for both your home and your office to increase your productivity. The home powered by smart automation will always welcome you, just like your office, where we automize your whole office to increase your productivity. The products you see behind me are just the tip of the iceberg, as we believe in one for all and all for one solution. Imagine, you come home and a smart monitor welcomes you, and the smart lock recognizes your fingerprints or your voice commands, and the smart sensor opens your door. You get home and the smart light, the smart music system, the smart thermostat, they all adjust to the preference of your choice for a perfect ambience that relaxes your mood.